Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Good morning, everybody. On this Thursday morning, it is the 29th day of March, and we do have a severe weather threat today. And I think that my concern is maybe just a little notch higher today than it was yesterday when I talked to you. On a 10 scale, maybe a 5, which is, significant enough. We have to take every one of these severe weather situations seriously. So my job on this video is to give you an idea of the timeline, the severity, what to expect, when it's out of here, all of that, and I'll do that as well. Plus, we'll look ahead to a great Easter weekend forecast for here in the Gulf Coast beaches. You're going to love this forecast, and there are 2 more storm systems ahead behind this one in the next 10 days. I am so glad you're here this morning. Here we go. Let's get into the meat and potatoes. You want to? Here we go. Much to talk about this morning. Here's the setup with low pressure about 1 o'clock this afternoon north of Memphis, and a couple of trailing fronts and a squall line that'll be swinging across the state of Alabama today. From the Storm Prediction Center, in that yellow area is the greatest risk, the slight risk from about the Georgia border all the way down to the Gulf Coast during the daytime hours today. More on that risk in a moment. You can see future radar as we go through late morning and into the afternoon, and by late afternoon, early evening, that's the peak time for the stronger storms right through central Alabama. Now, this is another model. This is the NAM at 4 o'clock, and don't take this literally. This is just an idea showing the squall line around Selma, and then 6 o'clock moving into central and south central Alabama at that hour with some strong cells associated with them and some possibly rotating, maybe some tornadoes. 8:30 tonight, you can see the crux of the activity starting to move into southeast Alabama by that particular hour. The National Weather Service saying tornadoes are possible, damaging winds, straight line winds 60 miles per hour or higher, and that's going to be including most of us right on through the early evening hours tonight. They've got 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. for most of us as a time window, and I think that looks pretty good as well. So be ready and have our weather app handy, because it's going to alert you instantly if there's a severe weather watch or warning for your area. I think there'll be a tornado watch certainly, and there's some warnings as well. Showers and thunderstorms today, especially by this afternoon and into the evening hours, with today's high around 78. The storms coming in during peak heating. Tonight's low 56, south winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Now, tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., the front has reached Tallahassee, and it's all over for us, and things start to improve. And I think it's going to be a great Good Friday forecast with sunshine, comfortable temperatures, the start of a great Easter weekend ahead. And I think it's going to be cool on Saturday morning with the mid-40s, but just perfect during the daytime hours with mid-70s. Sunny and nice. You couldn't write a better script for this Easter weekend. Great weather on Easter Sunday after a cool start in the upper 40s for Easter sunrise services at 6:33 a.m. and highs around 80. And I think we're still nice and warm on Monday. I think temperatures are probably in the low 80s by then. Tuesday night, here comes another significant storm system. Could this be a severe weather producer? Every storm system this time of the year is suspect, so the answer is probably, maybe. I've got a great weekend forecast. 72 Friday, 44 Saturday morning, 49 Sunday morning, but look at the afternoon highs. Mid-70s Saturday, 80 on Easter Sunday and Monday, and then showers and thunderstorms by Tuesday night as the next storm system comes into the area. Are you going to the Gulf Coast beaches? Boy, I sure have considered it. I think there could be some leftover showers and storms Friday morning early. Mid-70s, then low 70s Saturday, and mid-70s on Sunday. Water temperature 71 degrees. That's cool, but boy, what a great beach forecast. If you're heading down that way, get excited. Here's the European, the blue bars at the bottom showing the storm system today. It shows a chilly morning Saturday morning. Then it shows the storm system Tuesday night into Wednesday, and another potentially significant storm system around Saturday, April 7th. This is the European showing that chilly morning on Saturday morning in the mid-40s. Then we recover nicely during the day, and I think we'll be in the upper 40s by dawn on Easter Sunday, but a nice day ahead. And the warmest days will be Monday and Tuesday, and the GFS confirms that. The cool Saturday morning, the warm days Monday and Tuesday, and then another cool day around Thursday of next week with temperatures perhaps in the low to mid-40s on that day. Our weather app is really going to come in handy today. Active weather day with interactive radar, push notifications for watches and warnings, of course, and plus you'll be able to watch our live streaming when we're streaming during severe weather. And a lot of you know the drill now. When we have a severe weather situation, I have a live stream up of the radar, and then I comment from time to time on what's going on. And of course, when there's warnings, I do more than comment. We stay stay on and broadcast to you. And that happens on your app, right there in the palm of your hand. If you have to go to your safe place, I'm there with video and audio coverage, plus across the dial on 8 radio stations as well in a live streaming situation. And when you get a live stream, you can see it on more than just your app. You can see it on YouTube at Rich Thomas Weather and on all of our websites, including RichThomasWeatherNetwork.com. All right, you follow me? Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. We'll talk more about this severe weather threat. We'll also be back tomorrow morning with another video at 4:45 a.m. I'll be a tired boy, but I will be here. You can take that to the bank. Have a great day today. Stay weather aware. I'll be with you, okay? I promise.
Rich Thomas Weather.